Hello guys, welcome to our entrepreneur course. This is one more legacy education experience. And in this class, we are going to talk about anti-fragile or anti-fragile. Okay, have you ever heard about this word, anti-fragile? Well, the concept of anti-fragile was created by Professor Nassim Taleb, and it's a behavior ability, and it's also related to our mindset, like we talked about in our last class. So in order to understand the concept about anti-fragile, let's imagine a box. And if we shake, drop, or even throw the box away, and there is something inside that is fragile, it's going to break or get weakened. Okay, so it's going to get worse. And if we do the same with something made of steel, like a hammer, for example, it will probably remain the same. It won't weaken. So we can say it's something robust. And finally, let's imagine something that if we shake, drop, throw away, instead of break or remain the same, it gets better. Now that's something anti-fragile. Yes, so we can define something is anti-fragile when it gets a better version after some disorder. And I brought a good example for you guys. Yes, our muscles, okay? When we go to the gym and do some weightlifting, our muscle fiber, it actually break, right? And when we go to sleep after that, our muscles will overcompensate the pain they felt and they will go back stronger. So the muscles, after they suffer, after they break, they get stronger, they get better, they get bigger, right? So that's a good example of something anti-fragile. And that's what Professor Nassim Taleb teaches us about this human behavior. And according to Professor Taleb, we can divide people in three groups: fragile, resilient or robust, okay, and anti-fragile. And anti-fragile is something that improves after a failure. That's something that gets stronger after some criticism. And remember the beginning of my presentation? Anti-fragile is a matter of mindset. So we can choose to be anti-fragile and become a better version of ourselves after any kind of turbulence, and even more when life hits us hard. And I'll finish this class with this video, okay, that shows us a funny way to remember to take the best of each situation. See you next class.